How to fix HP Victus 16 not turning on. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you some of the methods that would help you to easily resolve this issue. So you first have to try to remove the battery out. If the battery is integrated and does not have a latch to release it, then you need to leave the battery inside the laptop. Then you need to disconnect the AC adapter from the laptop. Press and hold the power button for around 15 seconds and then reconnect the battery and plug the AC adapter. You need to press F6 plus power button and then the CMOS reset will be open in front of you, which is the combination of a Windows button and letter V. Then you need to push the power button once and release the Windows and letter V after 5 seconds. If the laptop does not power on, then you just have to continue with these steps. First of all, you need to disconnect the charger and remove the battery out. Then you need to connect only the battery and check if the laptop powers on. Likewise, remove the battery out and connect only the charger and check if that helps. So these are some of the solutions that are provided by the HP support community. So you just have to try these in order to fix this issue. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.